So let's talk about academic discussions. Also, so you know, I've never done this. This is actually my setup for the writing thing. I got my phone here stacked up on top of a bunch of books. I push record and I would do the writing here. So that's what I'm doing as you're watching this. So we have academic discussions in order to go somewhere, right? There is a goal in mind behind all of these things. Yes, you're sharing what you know, what you've learned, but you really want to get to kind of a central point, some sort of answer to a question that maybe you're trying to find out, some resolution, some final thing that you're working on together. Real quick, do realize this is just what you're trying to do. It doesn't always work. Sometimes you just can't really get to somewhere that you'd like to be, and that happens. Anyway, you're on a journey to some sort of resolution, some sort of answer to something that you're talking about. And of course, we get there by talking, right? People share ideas, people share opinions that they have. And we do that by asking questions, right? Sometimes you just don't understand and you need to clarify, but I want you to visualize these questions as a way to get further along to where you're going. Operationalize, that means you take the answers that people are giving you to further along the conversation. Often what that means is the questioner then responds to the answer of the question they were given in the direction that they see fit. You might not always get exactly where you want to go, but you're consciously using questions as a way to move the conversation in a direction. And again, that's really something that I wanted to see in our class last week that I would like to see more in this week. Be aware someone might give you an answer that really takes you in a direction you weren't expecting. They might go backwards. That's okay. Hey there, I'm going to talk and walk around because, I don't know, movement is kind of key to my thinking process, and I don't really get a lot of that because of this whole quarantine. But my family is gone. There is nobody here, so I have some chance to kind of walk around my house, and hopefully that'll help me think. Um, I was struggling to what I was going to say. So again, I want to see you guys doing this as practice. So I have another discussion that I planned for you guys. In your learning team, I want you to have a discussion about if you think the online learning that you're doing, including the videos you're getting from me and from your other classes, matches a lot of the things we're learning about what online video can do. That is, I want to take your online education experience from this semester of studying online at NYU Shanghai and see if those things match what we have learned about what online video is and what it can bring to the world. I don't know if I got enough chance to say this, but the one time I had you do this and before, that is have a discussion and then send me parts of it, I really liked that. It really helped me see quickly what you guys were doing and then show that back to you guys. So again, you're going to do that. That is, I want you to have a discussion and then I want you to take out clips of different things to send me. What I want those clips to be is you taking turns, that is a question that goes to an answer that the questioner then takes to go in some direction of your conversation. So it's kind of a this question, answer, and then where do you use that answer to go for to make more meaning in your discussions. I want you to send me clips of those turns, right? Question, answer, response. Maybe one or two from your discussion that you think do a good job of moving the meaning and the discussion that you're having forward by using questions. You can challenge people, you can look for consensus, you can do the things I tried to do when I jumped into those breakout conversations that you were having, and see if they push your conversation further. Again, the topic of the conversation is, do you see the things that we learned that online video can do in the videos that you're using for your learning here at NYU Shanghai?